Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Logstash pipelines after broken Grok patterns. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Logstash configuration directory. Locate the directory where your Logstash pipelines are stored. Search for the pipeline configuration files you want to restore. Open each relevant configuration file in a text editor of your choice. Identify the Grok filter sections that may be causing issues. Comment out these problematic Grok patterns by adding a hashtag at the beginning of each line. Save the changes to each file after commenting out the faulty patterns. Next, restart your Logstash service to apply the changes. Check the Logstash logs to ensure that the pipelines are running without errors. If you need to keep the original Grok patterns for future reference, create a backup file. Copy the original configuration files to a separate folder. Rename the copies to indicate that they are backups. After verifying that the pipelines run without the broken Grok patterns, begin testing new Grok patterns. Gradually introduce one new pattern at a time to pinpoint any further issues. After adding a new pattern, restart the Logstash service again. Monitor the logs closely to see if any new errors appear. Adjust the new Grok patterns as necessary based on the log outputs. Continue this process until all desired Grok patterns are successfully restored and functioning. Lastly, document the changes made to keep a record for future troubleshooting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.